How to see who asked your question on Sendit. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can reveal Sendit usernames and messages from Snapchat. As you guys know, Sendit is this really anonymous messaging app where you share your link onto Snapchat and you get anonymous messages by someone. So to know or to figure out who sent you those messages, you'll actually have to pay to get a hint. But today I'm going to show you how you can do that without actually having to pay for it. So first things first, you'll have to head over to the settings of Sendit app, and you're gonna make sure that your notifications are on, right? So all my notifications are turned on. You'll have to allow these notifications, and then you're gonna move on to sharing this, right? Like make up any sort of prompt. It could be no cap. It could be full send. Ask me anything. Let's just get creative with it, or let me just go ahead with the basic one, which just says, ask me anything at all. And with this being said, I'll just simply head over to share. So here I have basically, created a snap link where the link is inserted and I'll just post that up. And now instead of posting this on my story, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a specific different private story. Like, let me add this on my story. I can choose, instead of adding it onto the public story or the custom story, I'm simply going to create a new story where I'm just going to create specific friends. Like, let me just add these, and let me just simply create a story and save it and post it right there. So now one feature of Snapchat is that when you get, a send it notification, let's just say somebody views your story right here. So the person who quickly viewed your story is going to show up right here onto the top, right? And at the same time, if they send you a send it confession, you're also going to be seeing that onto the notifications of send it. So you can just quickly time out the time that, let's just say you received a send it 2 minutes ago and you also receive another view on your snap, so you can just time that out quickly. You can just specifically add a few people who are likely to ask you this question. Like I've only added 3 people so I can have an idea about which one watches the story first, and I can time that out, match the time out with the send it confession that has been sent, and then I can figure out who basically sent me that confession. So this is it. This is the easy, really foolproof method for you to figure out who is the Sendit user and who is sending you those anonymous messages. Be sure to, follow the steps by, turning on your notifications and posting it on your private story instead of posting it for everybody on public to view. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helps, and be sure to leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe.